Alright, for those of you who are having problems with your motor because you lost the wire, here's what you can do for the temporary fix. First, you need to open it, remove this carefully, and then you need to get a masking tape. So don't pull this, just make sure it's still intact. You need to cover the metal part. Then let's then of course you have to clear this up. This is actually for those who do not know how to solder or have no access to such materials. Since it's the easy feat. Okay, so there you have it. Because you need to make sure that the wires that you will attach do not touch the body of the motor. Okay. So you have a hand one more just to be safe. One more over there. Okay. Now, so the standard color for the wires is red here and then black here. If you don't have the wires, let's go look for something that will be anything. Actually, the color doesn't really matter. But in this case, I'll use blue instead of black because it's similar to black or it's also dark. And I'll use green for instead of red. And then I'm going to use a wire strip. Get the assistance of your dad to do this. I repeat, get the assistance of your dad. So I'm going to remove the insulation and expose the wire. Expose the wire. Maybe I'll turn it like this. The wires are standard. And then I'm going to tie it up. I'm going to tie it up. Real tight. Make sure it doesn't touch it doesn't touch the body of the motor. And I need to make sure that it will not get loose. And in this case, it does. So I need to do it again and take it away to keep it secure. Which is hard, but you have no choice but to do something about your broken motor. Again, make sure it doesn't touch your motor. The wires will not touch your motor. There. So, still not good. One more time. Okay. So I'm not going to aspire for perfection. I'm just going to make sure it's tight, really tight. Not too tight. enough for it to not pull that much. And then secure this with masking tape. Do not use any other tape. If you use the electrical tape, it's somehow it will get loose. It will come loose. Just to secure and make sure that it will not come off. But don't pull it. Don't pull. Okay, so then secure it. Secure such a way this doesn't get pulled out. Probably just do a tape another tape over there. Just do the other one. I repeat, this is just temporary. But please seek the assistance of your dad in doing this. Because you are going to, if you will not do this properly, you are going to mess it all up even worse. But I suggest that you go to your nearest electronics repair shop and have the wires soldered back. If you're near the school, our technicians can do that for you. But you need to call the help desk first. Make sure that they know you're done. I think this one's better. So type, yeah. And then when you do, of course you can do this better than what I'm doing now. Anyway, this is just a demo. And of course, you have to remove some extra tape, make it clear, and then make sure that this doesn't get pulled away. But again, this is just a temporary solution. Open that one and open this one. Make sure that the stands will not no presets. I'll try this out. This. Such mixing works. And simply allow the reverse polarity. It goes the other way. But I repeat, this is just temporary in case you really have to do it. But if you can wait and have this soldered back by a technician, then that would be better. I repeat, this is just temporary, and if there's a choice, please have it soldered back to have the wire soldered back to your motor, because that is so much sooner. Okay.